What's going on today? I'm going to show you guys how to do the blinds, how to install I got these from Walmart, it's MAINSTAYs. I had trouble at first, so figured I'd make a video. Alright, so you open it up, it comes like this. It's the cordless one, so it's just got the thing to open and close the blinds. And then it's got the hardware, whatever you want to call it. So, open it up. It's got two brackets right here that hold the blinds that you put into the window and then snap the blinds on. It's got all the bolts, the screws, and then these two are option. You don't have to put them on. It's an option if you want. They hold the bottom down if you don't want it to come back up. I don't put these on in case people want to open it. So, all right. So most people will get a pencil and do all the fancy way and all that stuff, but this is a rental and I'm not a contractor, so there's only two of them. I lined them up exactly the same on both sides, so it's a few inches in. I marked the spot. So you want the long part on the top and you want the short part on the back. All right. I mark the spot. Get it as even as I can get it. That's one. Probably fast forward this stuff. We grab the other one. Right. So let me just show you how these clip on before I put it up there. So it's like I said, it's like this. So what you do first, you put in the front part and then you push down and it clicks in. Yep. If you want to take it off, you do it from the back end of it. So it'll just click in once I put these on. So same thing. Try to do it as even as I can from the other side. That's about right. Yeah, I'm not shooting for perfection here. That's one. Oops. Whoa. And this part snaps in right here. You just push, should click. I'm trying to fit in between everything here. So first you get the front, get the front, and then push up in the back. And there you go. That's how you install mainstay blinds.